Yes, welcome back again to our channel. We want to bring in more series including the practical sessions as well, such that people benefit a lot. Now today we want to bring for you some sample A-level practical papers. We shall be dropping one by one, and I believe we shall be diving deeper into the different approaches hidden in the different items. Remember, this is a competence-based curriculum whereby learners should know how applicable everything is being asked. So allow us now dive into the video, but don't forget, for any query or any provision, the WhatsApp number is available on the screen. Yes, then the rest we shall be tackling slowly. We dive into the video.
Yes, so today we have brought for you Wakata Mock 2026, and that is Wakizo Kampala Teachers Association, the practical paper physics A-level Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education. We are here to provide, so let's share whatever we have for the better or for the success of the viewers. Now, we begin with how the paper looks like. First of all, allow me begin with the format of the paper. For the practical paper senior 6, we are expecting now 2 compulsory items according to the samples that were released recently from the Uganda National Examinations Board. The samples and a further orientation from the heads of different physics departments. The paper will consist of 2 items, that is item 1 and item 2. Yes, and of those 2 items, we expect the first item to be scenario based. This is where a learner is to carry out a scientific investigation. We shall expect a learner to present his or her data scientifically, as in he or she should begin with the aim and follow whatever has to be done, as we are going to see as the video goes on. Then the second item, a learner shall be given the procedures, where the learner should follow the given procedures and come out with data. Data should be well recorded and should show us the knowledge of manipulation. How can you manipulate data when you're given procedures? Those are the 2 items. That's why physics is now interesting at the advanced level. So I want us to begin with item 1, whereby it is involving getting the resistance per unit length, isn't it? Now here, a learner is going to use 2 methods. A learner is expected to use, the first method was given, whereby you get a piece of wire, an ammeter, a voltmeter, and take the measurement once. You know, these methods, when you are to use 2 methods, the first method to be used, before choosing, one of the 2 methods, one should be just a rough estimate, then the next one will involve the graphical analysis. Hope we are together. The second method will be the one to be, not that you will be using 2 methods and the 2 methods will all opt for the graphical analysis. No, one of the methods will go for the graphical analysis. Then, after getting the 2 values from method 1 and method 2, a learner is expected to get the average. That is the importance of getting 2 methods. 2 methods. Then, we go for item 2. Now, this item 2 you are seeing will involve manipulation of data. In this case, we are going to determine acceleration due to gravity. Now, the method 1, this is where we are going to use a spring, and hope you see that in method 1, this is where we are expected to use the graphical analysis from method 1. Yes, you see, you have been told the setup is already given. Then you clamp on a retort stand as shown. Then you suspend the mass, displace, measure and record, find the period. So the procedures are given and everything is very clear. And very clear to be what? To be done. Now, let's go to page 4. Yes, here the method 2 whereby we need to get the second value in order for us to get the average. This is where we're going to use a thread when we are provided the pendulum bob. So we are to suspend the pendulum bob on the retort stand using a thread, adjust the length, then measure the time, then we get the value of acceleration due to gravity from the given method. Then you get, so part F, they've said obtain more accurate values of G using G1 and G2, meaning that you have to get the average. Hope we are very, very together. So in the next video, we want to provide you with the expected responses for this given paper. Support us by subscribing, sharing. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you for being part of our channel. This is General Professor Coletta, taking you through all this. Stay blessed, brothers and sisters.